वाव, खेळायला कसली मज्जा येणार आहे तुम्हाला इथे. अँड दॅट्स द सी व्ह्यू.
This is just going to be the best staycation vlog you've ever seen. So stay tuned till the end with me, and I'm sure you guys will love it. We are going to stay at the Taj Holiday Village Resort in Goa, and for that we are in the middle of this wonderful journey where we take a few halts for brunch, a night stay in an equally beautiful hotel in Kolhapur. This is our cozy room in Hotel Sayaji Kolhapur with city view. My aim in this video is to quickly run you through the time we spent before reaching that amazing resort. So be with me. Showing you the breakfast spread in Sayaji Hotel. This hotel is a midway rest place for people coming from north of India and wish to head towards southern parts of the country. Now the part we are all eagerly waiting for, presenting to you much awaited Taj Holiday Village, Goa. This is a 5-star luxury hotel in the Sinquerim area. You are always greeted here with a grand welcome, and if it's your birthday, you'll surely get tons of gifts. Let's see further. The resort is so huge, you need buggies to wander from place to place. We are heading towards our fine, grand cottage. Do not miss the cottage tour coming in a few minutes. The tour begins. Now walk with us towards the resort's most happening place, swimming pool and the play area.
आपली रूम इथं होती.
Let me take. And there is the big pool. It's like I'm going to go and I can't resist.
भरून देतेस तुझा.
The pool with sea views was the best pool I've ever seen, and we enjoyed it to the core. A beautiful afternoon with some specially paved roads for cycling, and then what? Here we go for a seaside ride.
चला. कुठलं चॉकलेट? Okay.
We did 2 types of cycling, a manual cycle and an electric one. Normal cycles was complimentary and electric cycle costs around 500 for half an hour.
चल. South.
I'm jumping in this trampoline over here. Jump with me! Woohoo! Bye! Huh? Okay.
Devi trying on the electric cycle. आपण कन्वर्जन करून घ्यायचं का इलेक्ट्रिकचं? Devi is enjoying. Right gear, huh? Left. Straight.
Guys, just look at that view. Ocean in the front, riding on the greens.
Left gear, left gear. Hi.
Now we are heading to enjoy an afternoon high tea with my family, sitting in the amazing cafe called Caravella. This high tea is usually served in the middle of the day, and it's a great moment to enjoy along with the cool breeze coming from the ocean. Freshly brewed tea, coffee, delicious sandwiches, spring rolls, and a couple of varieties in non-vegetarian were also served in the high tea menu. Babies like my sister can also enjoy their freshly made tea cakes and biscuits.
इकडे ते सरळ वाळू तिथपर्यंत पाणी
खडक आधी नव्हते ग.
Here I got to know their fun activities for kids like pancake making, drawing, canvas painting and cupcake making. So I went to make some pancakes with real chefs. My father enjoying that sunset. This concludes our day 1 in this amazing resort. Sunsets here just hit different. Rest up because day 2 is just getting started. Eagerly awaiting to see you all in day 2.